Did you know that the 20th century saw rulers whose thirst for power drowned millions in fear and blood? Let's step into the shadows and count down the 4 most ruthless. Number 4. Benito Mussolini. The Italian dictator's rise was lightning fast, but his cruelty was unmistakable. Behind the facade of pomp and parades, political opponents vanished into the night, executed or sent to brutal camps. Streets ran with the terror he sowed, as loyalty became a life or death gamble. Number 3. Joseph Stalin. If fear had a face, it would be Stalin's. One whispered dissent, one perceived betrayal, and families were torn apart. The Great Purge didn't just eliminate enemies, it painted entire cities in sorrow, leaving millions starved, exiled, or executed. His iron fist turned a nation into a landscape of suspicion and despair. Number 2. Mao Zedong. The architect of the Cultural Revolution transformed China into a furnace of suspicion and violence. Friends, neighbors, even children were compelled to denounce each other. Those labeled enemies of the state vanished in the chaos, while famine and forced labor claimed tens of millions. His vision of ideological purity left the land soaked in suffering. And the number 1, Adolf Hitler. The world will never forget the horrors of his reign. Hitler's machinery of death, gas chambers, mass executions, and genocidal campaigns unleashed a nightmare that swallowed 6 million Jews and millions of others. The brutality was systematic, cold, and terrifyingly efficient. Each of these men wielded power like a weapon, leaving trails of fear and blood. They weren't just rulers, they were storm clouds over humanity, proving how ambition without conscience can become monstrous. So, when we look back at history, one question remains. What drives a man to turn nations into graveyards, and can such darkness ever truly be understood?